today is January 24th and today's a B-Day. I'm Caitlin.
Kirtland.
I'm here. Today for lunch we'll have Sultan chicken, brown rice, main salad, relish cup, zucchini sticks, pears, orange wedges, fresh fruit baskets, milk.
Great news from yesterday, Lily will be here for lunch on Tuesday, January 28th. Be sure to make her feel welcome by stopping by and saying hello.
Go see Mrs. Queen to either purchase a Lily donkey for only $4 or you get a bracelet for $2.50. Also, don't forget about the community service hours. For every hour you do, the member gets $10. Turn back to Mrs. Green.
If you have gotten an overdue notice from the library, please return or renew your books today.
If you bring your own athletic balls, like basketballs and footballs, they need to stay in your locker for the school day. You cannot use them during recess or in PE class. If you have any questions or concerns, see Mr. Frick.
Students, please remember the after-school building policy. You must either be out of the building or with the teacher by 2:45. If you're doing intramural sports, you need to be with your coach in the gym by that time. Also, please remember that if you leave the building after school, you are not allowed to come back into the building. And now here's Kiara with an important reminder.
Thanks, Caitlin. Everyone, please remember that Exclusion Day is February 19th. Any student who does not have up-to-date immunizations will not be allowed to attend classes of February 19th. Like them.
Bye, guys. Thanks, Kiara. I hope everyone is showing their school spirit by wearing a Parkville shirt or college gear.
College gear.
For Future Focus Friday.
Ducks. Yeah. Enjoy your community time with your homeroom. Have a great day!